Kelsey, and we are back with another episode of This Is My Body. Today, we're going to go over a couple of mean comments that I have recently gotten about my body on the internet. Both of these comments were in relation to this photo. So let's dive in. Kate said, "Yuck. Why would I want to look like a dude?" Yuck. Interesting word choice. Okay, I'll get to your question in a second, Kate, but first, let's check out Jasmine's thoughts about my body. Jasmine said, "Way too muscular, ew." Similar to yuck, ew is defined as expressing something disgusting, distasteful, or something repellent. I told Jasmine best of luck to show that I was a real person and not just a photo, to which she replied, "Hipburn, that has nothing to do with what I said. You look like a man." This episode is not about opinions of looking like a dude or manly. That's another conversation. This episode is about the first part in each comment. Yuck and ew. It's about these interjections and adjectives that are used to describe our bodies far too often. Yuck, ew, gross, disgusting. Have you ever said or thought this about someone else's body? What about your own? I've heard countless times women and men referring to certain parts of their bodies as gross or disgusting, or exclaiming things like ew or yuck in relation to how they perceive their own bodies. This is the honest truth. There has never been and never will be any part of your body that warrants that kind of description. Catch yourself in those thoughts and words as you speak them. As soon as we shift our mindset, language, and treatment of others and ourselves to respect what our bodies do for us, we will unleash more happiness and contentment than we ever knew possible. You are not gross or disgusting. Yuck and ew do not describe who you are. You are strong. You are kind. You are gifted. You are more than just a body, but your body is also enough just as is. Be proud of your body and all that it does for you. It is yours alone, and it is beautiful. I am proud that this is my body. And from one human to another, you should be proud of yours too.